Presenting EZVIZ C8C Outdoor Wireless Pan Tilt Camera. It comes in a size of 15.8 into 15.7 into 14.9 centimeters and weighs 885 grams. The camera captures 1080p HD video and images. It has a 352 degrees horizontal rotation and 95 degrees vertical rotation. The embedded AI algorithm intelligently detects the motion of human shapes in real time. And the EZVIZ app puts it all right on your smartphone or mobile device. The camera comes with two spotlights for active protection and H.2.65 video compression technology. The built-in noise-cancelling microphone ensures clear audio. The camera comes in a weatherproof design. The box contains the camera, 1.5 meters power adapter, screw kit, waterproof kit, drill template, regulatory information and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.